if those two angles are equal, we can mark that these two sides are equal. Everybody understand that?
Yep.
And now we set up our equation. It's pretty easy. Always put the x on the left. It's easier. X minus 5 equals 7. X equals 12. That was number 5. Let's do number 12. Is equal to this angle because that's the bottom if you put the mountain standing up. You understand that? That means that this guy is 50. We know that. So then you just subtract those from 180 and we get that x equals 80 because 50 plus 50 is 100 and 180 minus 100 is 80. So if we have an equilateral triangle, and we would know that by either them telling us that all the angles are equal or that all the sides are equal. We know that if all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. And if all the angles are equal, all the sides are equal. Got it? So let's say I have that this is equal to that, that's equal to that. We know they're all equal. That means that we know that all these sides are equal. So if they give us an example where one side is x plus 2 and another side is 6, we know that all the sides are equal. We make them equal to each other. We find that x equals 4. Now with the angles, we know something. All of the angles in an equilateral triangle measure what? All of the angles measure 60. So if I have 60 here and I have x plus 48, I know that x plus 48 equals 60 on the angle side, okay? And x equals 12 when I subtract 48 from both sides. Number 20, we know that this is not an isosceles. We know this is an equilateral. We know that this is 60, which they don't really even have to have that in there. And they want you to find angle 2. And they tell you that the measurement of angle 2 is x plus 70, right? So what are we going to make x plus 70 equal to?
60.
And this, watch your signs, because x equals negative 10 when you subtract 70 from 60. Sometimes your answers will be negative. And I'm going to say it as I write it. Angles add up to 180. Sides don't add up to anything in particular. It depends on the triangle.